Hi guys, I'm Sydney. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a great Dollar Tree haul for you guys. I got some fall stuff, but they still haven't really put out all of the fall stuff at my Dollar Tree. They had a bunch of it kind of in boxes, and it was in the back of the store. That kind of drives me crazy when I see that, when I want to shop for stuff and it's all in boxes. But anyway, so we're getting into the fall season. I think they're just trying to get through back to school and stuff like that. But I did pick up a few fall items as well as some other things, so I'm going to show you guys. First thing I want to show you is this really cute little chalkboard. It is a pumpkin chalkboard. It says, "I am thankful for," it has a little leaf on it. I thought this was really cute. It would be cute for the wall or for a door. This would be a really nice gift for a teacher also. If you have kids and you want to get their teacher something nice, this with a little pack of chalk. It would also be great to hang up in the kitchen and kind of, write what you're thankful for Thanksgiving. But I thought this was adorable and I picked it up. Next fall item I got were these really cute little polka dot glitter pumpkins. I'm not too sure what I'm going to do with these yet, but they were just so precious. I couldn't leave them behind. I kind of want to make a wreath. I've never made a wreath before, but might put these into my little craft pile and attempt to do a DIY wreath kind of thing. But I thought these were really precious. Sticking with my fall theme, I picked up this little ceramic pumpkin. This would look really nice on the table. This is great for Halloween, kind of going from Halloween, would also do Thanksgiving as well. I like to kind of stick to the neutrals so that I can put them out, this time of year and kind of keep them through Thanksgiving. That way it's not too Halloween orange kind of thing, but I thought this would be really pretty on the table. I also picked up this one that I really liked. It's a white pumpkin that I'm also going to put on my dining room table. But I thought this was really cute. It's got the little green leaf on the top. It's just a ceramic bottom. Both of these are ceramic. The one before this was ceramic too. But I thought these would be really cute for the table. The next thing I picked up was a hummingbird feeder because I was sitting on the porch where I'm actually filming right now. But I was sitting on the porch and I saw a little hummingbird flying around trying to find some nectar in the flowers. And there aren't too many flowers out right now. So I bought him a little feeder. They did not have the nectar stuff to go into it. I had to buy that at Walmart. But I found some at Walmart. I think it was $5. But I'm going to hang this out in my tree so I can watch the little hummingbirds. Next thing I picked up, I always try to pick these up when I find them. I get really excited when they have name brand stuff. But it is the Yes to Blueberries. These are makeup remover wipes. There's 10 in a pack. I picked up 2 of them. But I really like this brand. It always smells really great and it doesn't bother my skin. So I always try to pick up these makeup wipes because they can get kind of expensive, especially for the name brand ones. But I was excited to see that they got some. I also picked up the Yes to Carrots brand a few months ago. So I was excited to see that they got some more of these in. Next thing I picked up, sticking with the beauty aisle, they had these little sheet masks. It says coenzyme Q10. But I picked these up. I always try to pick these up when I find them. I love these just at the end of the day to unwind, just put on a sheet mask and watch your favorite show and lay on the couch. And I always grab these when I find them. The next thing that I picked up in my Dollar Tree haul, I found these. It says Double Take 2-piece eyeshadow by LA Colors. I really like these neutral shades, and also you can use the lighter shade kind of as a highlighter. So I picked these up. Not sure how the quality is going to be, but I really liked the colors. So I've tried this brand before and I liked it, so I'm hoping for good things. I also picked up, I love these, they had all kinds of these little Disney I pronounce it tsum-tsums. I'm not really sure the correct pronunciation, but I call them tsum-tsums. But I picked up Elsa. She has her little braid. She has on her little dress. These are like the stackable ones. They're little plushes. But I thought that was too precious. And then I also picked up, I'm kind of obsessed with Winnie the Pooh right now. If you have not gone to see the Christopher Robin movie, you absolutely need to go see it. Take your kids. Kids will love it. I think adults will love it just a little bit more without giving the movie away. It has a really deep meaning and a great message, and it's hilarious. So definitely go see Christopher Robin if you haven't already. But I also picked up Winnie the Pooh. This one. Tigger. T-I-G-G-R. And then I also got Piglet. So I thought these were really cute, and they're only $1 at Dollar Tree. So these are so precious. I'm so happy I found these. I'm like Disney obsessed. You will learn that. So, excuse me. Disney obsessed, and I pick up Disney things whenever I find them. Last is going to be kind of like some office supply stuff. I picked up this little activity paper pad. I love the patterns in this. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with it yet. I might use it for my Posh packages. Just really cute little, I like the sprinkles. Really cute little papers, scrapbook papers. 30 sheets in it for $1. I thought that was pretty good. I also picked up this pack of washi tape. It has like 7 little really thin rolls of washi tape in it. For my planner, one says be happy. Another one is like pink glitter. Another one has diamonds on it. And then the turquoise one, this one is just blue dots on it. And then yellow and then stripes. I also picked up this little 2019. It's just a little tiny calendar that you can put like in your purse. It's a daily calendar, so like this. And then it has the months at the top. It's for 2019, so I can't really use it yet, but I went ahead and picked one up for the new year. So can't believe they're already putting out 2019 calendars. That's crazy. They also had, for my last 2 things, these really cute little notebooks that I hadn't seen before. I picked this one up. It says busy, busy, busy. And then it has pages in it. I am doing a lot better about writing things down, so I try to keep a notebook with me at all times. And then I also picked this one up that I thought was really cute. It says enjoy life. I thought that was precious. They had all kinds of really cute notebooks and stationery, and it's like my favorite thing in the world is school supplies. I've always been that way. Like I would be excited for back to school time just because of the school supplies. But that is my Dollar Tree haul for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I didn't find too much today, but I thought what I did find was really cute. So definitely subscribe if you want to see more of my haul videos. And I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!